Wagwan people, welcome back to another great video. So today I shoot another great video again, which are some Dukunu. Some people call it blue jaw, some people call it tire leaf. So I'm in the process of grating the coconut. I go peel the banana, I have the banana bark. So the key about making it is the tying. So I go show you how I do it, how I prepare it. Yes, so I finished grating the coconut and I'm peeling the banana. Right now rain I come down. So still I go try to push through the video. So if you guys see the video completed, that means that the vlog finished. I grate out the banana after peeling them. So the rain come, but hopefully soon stop. Hopefully soon stop, guys. The banana done, peel off. So the next step now I have to grate the banana. So I just put on some cinnamon leaf to boil. This is the coconut milk. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon water, some boiled cinnamon water. I'll add some rose water in here. And add some sugar. About a pound of sugar. So I sweeten the taste. People say the rain will fall down. And I will also add a little bit of salt, about a tablespoon of salt in it. And when back in the days when I go to school, mother make them tire leaf, man. I tell her say when I get a one, it's like it's full of belly for the entire day, you know. I'm gonna add some vanilla, right? And for the flour I'm gonna use a nutmeg. I'm gonna use some cinnamon powder, or 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna add half tablespoon of mixed spice. So I'm mixing everything together, and it's regular flour I'm using. So before using the flour, ensure that you sieve the flour to get all the air out of it and to get a smooth mix. Yeah, everything complete now. So I'm gonna add in the flour. So before I add any other thing to the banana, I have to ensure that the flour is mixing properly. So I'm basically combining the banana and the flour together. Gentle. Help mix out the dough. So I don't want it too soft. Right, big sister?
Yeah.
Guys, my big sister the boat. But what a woman afraid of camera around. I swear. Surprised how I can love vlogging. Because my family really love the camera thing. Your sister tell them what they call this a Dukunu, you know?
No.
You don't know what they call it?
I go come here, but I know.
Oh, well, me too, we grew up over here, so I saw your name. But tell the people them when we are little picnic when mama make it. When I get all one a hit. And I tell her, those were the days, you know. And I mix it out. And I will also add some of the coconut when I grate her in a hit. So this coconut I'm going to squeeze out because it still have the milk in a hit. And I add in this. So I see mama do it, you know. So, I bring back the old lady recipe, you know. Add a little bit more liquid. As we are adding little by little, I don't want it to be too soft. And it smells good, you know. It smells like a potato pudding. Loose up here a little bit more. That one, so right now, I'm going to create the banana leaf. Yeah. So creating the banana leaf get it soft because I'm going to add the mixture on the banana leaf and then I am going to wrap it and tie it with the banana bark because I don't really want it to take in the water. I want it to steam. Oh. Hot, you know? So I'm tying the tire leaf. So my small baby niece and never can't wait. So the key part about it is a tying. And it take a lot of time, a lot of patience. So you have to wrap it and carry it down. Then fold it like a pocket like that. And then fold back this part like that. And then add it the banana stalk. So you're going to dry, twist it, and then tie it. So after tie them, like the long piece them, I'm going to just cut them off. So this is what we're going to make already. So I'm put the banana. Go add some. We're vibing with my sister today again. There's something for you people in here, man. What a woman shy, man. Guys, hear me in the background. So we'll go tie again. Dry and then twist it. And tie. So I'm gonna catch up the fire. I put on the pot pan now with the water with some cinnamon stick in it or cinnamon leaf. And I'm going to add just some salt in it. Yes, sir. Full of ketchup. That.
Chico!
Yes, sir. The water boil up, so I add it. Mind the fire burn you. So I add in some cinnamon stick in it with the leaf, some salt. Some, all of them are my little niece and nephew. So I'm adding in. Papi, what you have to tell them on the camera?
Subscribe and don't forget.
Yes, sir, subscribe. Alright, so we are adding them. Papi, shy out.
Commentator.
Star girl, what you have to tell them on the camera? Alright, take up one and come put it in. Take time, take time. I might not get burned. Take time, Star. Take time.
1, 3, 2. Take out
Yeah,
one.
come take up one. So the kids them are help out. Always good for get the kids them involved.
Papi.
Take time, take time.
Take time, Papi.
Take time,
Take
Star
out
girl.
2.
Don't drop in a hit, just take time and put it down. And put it down, put it down, put it down. Don't come so close to the fire. Don't come so close. Alright, no more. I don't want you to come so close to the fire. Just put it down. No more. Listen, no more. Want help right through. Papi, come back. Look at it. Come back. Look at it. Just in case of any incident. So I'm going to leave, cover it. I'm going to stay there and go and steam. Yeah, man. So done. Amazing tire leaf. Like me grew up, me hear people call it all different type of name. Tire leaf, blue jaws, Dukunu. I don't know what Uno call it, but that's what me know people call it. Yeah, man, so I check on them. So I boil up. Guys, I can smell it, smell real good. So I add cinnamon, stick in it, salt, and just some sugar. Cause I want if you maintain that nice aroma and the sweetness of it, but not too much salt, not too much sugar in it. So just a little bit. I should just keep everything the right way how it's supposed to stay, We are covered. So guys, it entirely finished, so never taste it until more go and feed it,
Yeah man, taste it until you eat it. Go on. Yes guys, tastes good man. Tastes good. You know say when
I have it for that.
you know say when you cool.
Guys, you see my sister, you see my rod boat take him out. You see my rod boat take out. You want to see them there. That one.
Yeah guys, so when you cool, you get a better eating from it. But like for the warmer now, yeah man, tastes good man. So alright guys, you know we have to take them out of the water now. And we have to put them in a pan here to cool, so we set them like this. With the water we're inside, drain out of them. See guys, you have to get the water drain out of them.
Yeah, feel good there behind the camera. I have my never I do the final presentation of them. So I don't know what I go on. Like, comment, share and subscribe, you know what I mean, for more videos out.